In the case study video, we are discussing the software development design services who typically outline a specific problem, that is highlight the client's problem, the design solutions implemented, and the resulting benefits. For example, it might detail how a design firm helped a company redesign their legacy and then an e-commerce platform to improve the user experience and that increase the conversion rates. Next, the problems and challenges in this. The major challenges to this case studies is client background. Briefly introduce the client and their businesses. They should clearly state the problem the client was facing, how user engagement will slow website performance, lack of scalability, and the goals outline the specific design goals for the project. Design process describe the design process used, user research, wireframing, prototyping, testing. And the next key features, key design features are explain the specific design elements implemented to address the problem. And then next, implementation technology stack. Briefly mention the technology used for development, example the programming languages, frameworks, databases, and then agile development. Highlight if an agile approach was used or how it is benefited through the project, and the results based on this quantitative results, and that provide the specific data demonstrating the success of the project, increased conversion rates, improved user engagements, and reduced the bounce rates. The client next one follows the requirement. In the requirement, qualitative feedbacks are the client testimonials or qualitative feedback highlighting the positive impact of the new design. Then next, here how are the key aspects in case study and success of the design solution. One example is here the company is struggling with the clunky slow downloading e-commerce website. Should be showcased. The case study would detail how to design it from and use through the user research and prototyping. We designed the site with a focus on speed, mobile friendliness, and intuitiveness navigation. This result could demonstrate the slowing 20% increase in conversion of the rates and the 15% reduction in the bounce rate. Increase the conversion rates and the positive feedback from the users about the new experience. What is the case study in this means? Main requirement is in-depth analysis of a specific project problem scenario related to technology implementation, innovation, and management. It provides a detailed account of real world technology, and then it provides practical insights for training and team members and demonstrating organization capabilities of the potential clients. A well-structured case study sample should include an engaging introduction, a clear problem statement, a detailed solution or approach, compelling the results to the crucial challenges like comparing results, concluding section with the recommendations, takeaways. It is crucial to sell the story, demonstrating how a problem was identified, addressed, and solved with the measurable outcomes. And the solution here is regularly published in software engineering literature, and guidelines for conducting the case studies are available based on the retrospections of the label. Case study is running through the studies that are not in the investigation that be concluded. After that, the brainstorming we came up the app idea with bridge up the gap between the staff and the patients and the providers. We will provide that the client was entitled unified for that platform to communicate, collaborate, and document patient health history. Thank you. And the solutions is here. We are discussed about the problem statement clearly, concisely define the problem or challenge faced by the client or organization, and the background of the studies. Provide relevant background information and context surrounding the problem. Consequence and hesitations is being the problem is not addressed and any initial hesitations or concerns. The solution approach, we detail the specific solution approach and strategy implemented to address the problem. And the implementation, how the solution was implemented, including any unique aspects of key steps. Key results highlight measurable outcomes of data. Key takeaways that demonstrate the success of the solution. Success metrics. Use data and statistics to support the results and illustrate the impact of the solution. Here the visual aids of that how the solutions clarifying by considering using the charts, graphs or other visuals to effectively communicate the results, conclusion, results and summarize the key lessons learned from the case study, highlighting that worked well and what could be improved. Recommendations provide actionable recommendations for future implementation and strategies, encourage the readers to take action and engage with this case study. And the next yeah, well structured case study is a good example to include engaging introduction to clear problem statement, detailed solution or approach, compelling results and concluding section with recommendations or takeaways. It's crucial to tell a story demonstrating how a problem was identified, addressed and solved with measurable outcomes. Here the headline is stored with the catchy and relevant headline that grabs the attention. The overview of this means that provide a overview of case study, including the client project and overall changes. Is